Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm Disney Stranger and I'm here at Disneyland all by myself. And can you believe it, guys? The Disney Stranger channel has finally hit 1,000 viewers and we are so happy and we're so gracious for everyone who subscribed to our channel, from Mrs. Stranger to Disney, the T Stranger, who are fortunately not here with me tonight to celebrate. I'm kind of like all alone here at Disneyland. What? Hey, where'd you come?
Stranger, you're never alone. We're watching your channel, and we're rooting for you.
Oh, you know we got 1,000 views. Isn't that great? I mean, I'm like, this is mind blown here. I'm like,
what?
Oh, I'm gonna have a giveaway coming up, and I just want to show everyone how thankful the Disney Stranger family is that you are subscribers, and thanks to you, we are here at 1K and we're going to give away some prizes, and I'll let you know about them in just a minute. So come with me and Raw and we're going to take a walk down Main Street. Does that sound good?
Awesome, let's go!
Hey guys, let's go. Let's check this out. It's Thursday, one of the last Thursdays of the Wine and Food Festival. I'm going to take the backstage tour of Future World, since they're changing things around for the 35th anniversary of Epcot. And later on, I'll get back to the Wine and Food Festival. See you then. All right, guys, thanks. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Raw and I are headed down Main Street. We're taking a stroll to Snow White's castle here at Disneyland. And we've had a great day, right? We've done a lot of fun things.
Amazing day here at Disneyland, California.
We did the new Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railroad,
yes,
which is
that was fun.
A little different than the one out in Florida, but equally as good, right?
Yeah, vlog's coming out.
Yep, got a vlog coming out about that. Make sure you check out our POV on that. But tonight, like, my big announcement is we hit 1K, so we'd like to give away stuff for our viewers, our subscribers. So the first thing we'd like to give away is a pair of mini ears, as you can see in this picture here, from Disneyland Paris. This is exclusive to Disneyland Paris. They're really great ears. Mrs. Stranger got a pair for Christmas.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Who doesn't love a giveaway?
Right, guys, this is a giveaway. And also from Disneyland Paris, we have this great t-shirt. This is a really amazing Disneyland t-shirt. You can't get it here in the States, but you can get it here on the Disney Stranger channel.
Wow, who's not entering is crazy.
Yeah, guys, you got it. And last of all, we have this Loungefly. Don't you? Yeah, a Loungefly, guys. This is amazing. You got to make sure you enter this contest, and the only way you can do this contest is by telling us what your favorite Disney character is in the comments down below, and also say which prize you would like. If you want all three, list all three prizes. If you just want one, list the one prize that you want right down below. That's the only way you can enter on this comment section down below, because we really appreciate you guys. Thank you.
1K!
This is amazing. It's been a 2.5-year journey of posting vlogs round and round every week, and it's driving me nuts that we haven't got there sooner. It's been a great, fun, awesome journey.
So many cool people, so many subscribers. We are so happy that you're vlogging and YouTubing here at Disneyland and Disney World. And Disneyland Paris.
Hopefully we'll get to Japan sometime soon also. That would be really great, right?
That'd be awesome.
So
Rawsome.
Very awesome. My friend Raw here. He's helped a lot. He's helped a lot with the channel. We really appreciate you helping with our channel, Raw.
Thank you. We have a beautiful channel. Beautiful family. Let's subscribe, and congratulations, the Disney Stranger.
Thank you so much. And before we head out, before we end this 1K special vlog, there's one thing that we have to say, but we have to have some castle behind us.
I agree.
Yeah, there we go. There's the castle, guys. Raw, what's the one thing the Disney Stranger says at the end of every vlog?
So this is the most famous line you're all gonna know. It's, don't forget to walk forward!
Have a great night!
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.